Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing the citation style because consistency matters. Set Word to APA, MLA, or Chicago from the References ribbon. Next, add sources right away. Click Manage Sources, then New to enter author, title, year, and type. Once done, make sure each source is complete so citations generate correctly. You'll save time later by filling publisher and URL fields now. This avoids manual fixes when producing the bibliography. Continue by inserting citations where needed, select the location, open Insert Citation, and pick the source. If data changes, edit the source so every citation updates automatically. This is why using the Master Source Manager matters. Once several citations exist, generate the bibliography to preview formatting. You can then reorder or remove entries by deleting the inline citation. Make sure to choose Show All Bibliography fields when you need DOIs, addition, or page ranges to avoid missing details. To finish, place the cursor where the bibliography should appear and choose References Right Arrow Bibliography. Word will compile every cited source into the selected style. Once inserted, update the field after edits so page numbers and author names sync. Right-click and Update field. If entries look wrong, use Manage Sources to correct or re-import the source. If a citation won't update, delete it and reinsert from the Source Manager. That repair usually resolves stubborn formatting or missing field issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.